And the last position is our pretzels positions. I say pretzels positions because there are many different variations. The first one would be our normal pretzel, where we are like this, but this is the same as what we also call like our fake pretzel, where the hands are like this, or even if we are like in this position, which we call the L position. It's all the same technique. What do we mean with the same technique? Let's start with the pretzel. If you don't know how to do a pretzel, make sure to check out our tutorials when we are showing you that. So, in this position, always, where we are in the L, we are going to be a little bit like our right foot leaders is a little bit behind the follower. So in no position I am in front of her, but I'm trying to have her inside my frame. Let's say this is my frame, like this, and now I will try to have my follower inside my frame. So I'm always like in this position, a little bit like if I were in the open position. This means this hand is not placed here upwards, but we're going to place here down, a little bit like in the shadow position. But now the contact of the forearm is with the lower back. So it's no longer with the side like in the shadow, it's on the back. And this one is going to be thinking about the hands on her chest level, the lower chest level. So I'm not thinking about here on the shoulder level, I'm thinking about it like this.
Important, this arm is always out, so we don't bring it here and rest or something, because we will always need it for a good posture, frame, and for the leading and following, okay? For the followers, we are here, and no matter which position we have, like the arms like this or this, always try to make yourself big and never be like, oh, okay, I feel like a burrito here, okay? Always big and like this. The arm is not completely stretched like this, but a little bit with the elbow out, okay?
Yes, just like your normal frame. And again, whenever we are doing body movements, we are focusing on our body, on the frame, but we are not really focusing about opening our arm and start rowing like this. It's all about the frame, keeping the frame and moving the body and going like this. For example, in a body wave.
Yes. Always try to keep your feet pointed outwards. This is very important, specifically in the pretzel position. So when we are here, you don't walk like this, but always a little bit with your knees turned outwards. Okay, let's talk very quickly about the fake pretzel position. The position towards each other is the same. We only have different arms, okay? So we are not like this anymore, but we have our arms like this. Here, I have, similar to the shadow position, my elbow always up. So this is the most common mistake, that we have our elbow down somewhere here and we hide it, and then we don't have any stability with the leading and following. If you bring your arm here, you will always know what his body is doing, and it will also allow you to have a very good posture here.
Yes, remember, like in every position, we are never going towards each other's space. The frame is what keeps us with the distance. It helps us understand, of course, the communication between us, but it's what allows us to still feel comfortable whenever we are dancing close together. So leaders, make sure to always stay here, and in no point you are like here, bringing her here like this and going that way, or maybe resting your arm over here, because this is a very uncomfortable position. So the follower will always try to keep her frame like this, so respecting her space, and we will respect her space like this. But it's of course the same for the follower. The followers in no moment will try to lean themselves towards us or something like this. We're always in our own axis. We have connection, and here we can dance freely and super comfortable with each other. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Also, make sure to check out our online programs, the first link down below. Here we learn all of these positions, and of course also all the body movements that we need in Bachata Sensual in all of these positions. We hope you liked it, and see you next time.